This is a good period for money making. So if you want to go into investment, take up opportunities and look into new feasibilities and possibilities. There are a lot of things happening at this time. You could make good connection with people who are financial creators, and they could teach you a thing or two, as well as you could build up your position, your possession, and strategies in all money matters. A great period for communication. So if you want to relay your ideas to others, you want to put your message across, this is when you will do so. Good for regional travel, contacts, and even business. You find that during this period, if you love to take up short courses or studies, then you want to do something about it. Transportation, vehicle, equipments can all be sort of upgraded or improved at this time and bring a lot of pleasure to you. A good period for home, family, and domestic matters. So you can expect a lot of visitors on the home scene. Buying property, selling property, renting property, and all dealings and renovating properties are good. You could even hear some happy and auspicious occasion concerning relative or family members at this period. So be open to invite people into your home or to receive invitation to visit theirs. A lovely period for affairs of the heart, romance, social events, children activities, creative minds, and you feel yourself rather enterprising. So do whatever stimulates you and take your heart's interest. This is not a good period, so you'll be having a lot of tussle in the workplace and a lot of demand and pressurizing situation. Try to distress yourself, give some quality time for work and a lot of time for doing other things. Don't allow people to put pressure on you unless it's really necessary. And watch your health condition, as you could be feeling rather troublesome, confused, and low at this time. This is a good period for partnership, joint venture, teaming up with others, soul union, coming into mutual interest, and you find that there will be a lot of supportive people appearing at this time. So use this period for joint activities and teaming up with others. This is a good period for reshuffle, reorganization, and anything to do with private plans and policy. You want to tap into new resources, talk to bankers, talk to financiers, get new investors. This is definitely the time to do so. A wonderful period for travel, overseas affairs, foreign dealings, dealing with the hierarchy, people of importance and influence could be beneficial to you at this time. You want to take up languages, you want to upgrade your skills and expertise through learning. It's all wonderful. A good time for career and ambition. So if you plan ambitious plan for the future ahead, you want to take a couple of action plan and launch them. This is definitely the time to do so. You'll find that you could be sort of getting a lot of recognition and respect due to the work plans and policy that you put into action, and you will have a good sense of management at this time. This is not a good period for group activities, so there could be a lot of displeasing people or rivaling group that try to get you in between their problems. Also during this period, don't be too trusting with your instincts. Even though they are right, they might lead you to more trouble than good. And most of all, avoid gamble at this time. You could lose big time if you sort of lose your head and take the risk. During this period, there will be a lot of settlement to be dealt with. Things that have come to an end that need to be concluded. People who you have lost interest with and suddenly are parting in the ways. So this is a time whereby there could be a lot of sadness, like health condition of people important to you, or some emergencies due to some bad happenings could happen at this time, or even restless, sleepless nights and feeling very tormented. So you need to distress, take some time out, and if possible, go into a retreat for a while. Go into your comfort zone to a nice quiet place and try to recuperate. This is a wonderful time for personal activities and affairs. So if you want to start new interests, new development, this is a very challenging period. People like you like yourself, you like what you're doing, you're having more confidence into your life and future, and that's the way to go.